Assalamu alaikum everyone. As you know that we have solved exercise 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3 for Cambridge Mathematics for grade 2. So this is the workbook pages and few more solution for you. So you can zoom in. I have written the page number as well. You can practice for these examples as well so that you will learn more about this chapter. Exercise 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3. These are few examples which is not in the learners books. These are from the workbook. This is helping for you for doing the practice, and also it is helping for you. These examples are helping to you. This video will help you to do your homework as well. So kindly review all these pages. You can stop the video and have the solution of this, and I have written the page numbers, and this is a complete solution related to this. If you want to know the explanation of it again, so I will try to make the explanatory video on these topics as well. And already we have learned all these examples, all these questions in the learners books. These are few more examples. Okay, might be useful for you. Thank you. Because mathematics is all about practice. This is a game of practice. Just you have to practice related questions, so you will get your concept will more clear. You will get to know about these chapter and about these type of questions more and more. So for more practice, the worksheets are given to you. Just take it out and just take the printout of this worksheet and do practice for the mathematics. Best of luck.